Your Ninja Foodi comes with several accessories to help you create your favorite meals with ease. In addition to the family-sized 6.5-quart cooking pot, your Ninja Foodi comes equipped with a cook and crisp basket and the reversible rack, which are all dishwasher safe. The ceramic-coated non-stick cook and crisp basket with its extra large 4-quart capacity can be used to air crisp, bake roast, steam, pressure cook, and make tender crisp recipes. It holds up to 3 pounds of French fries or a 5-pound chicken. Attached to your cook and crisp basket is the detachable diffuser, which guides the airflow from the crisping lid down to the diffuser and back up and around your food for perfectly crispy results. Your Foodi also comes with a stainless steel reversible rack, which can be used inside your cooking pot in 2 ways. Use it in the lower position to steam veggies and other ingredients. Use it in the higher position to broil your proteins or create 360 meals. 360 meals enable you to create a full meal with mains and sides all in one pot. Pressure cook your grains below, and then place your proteins and veggies on the rack and finish them with a crisp. Visit ninjakitchen.com for recipes utilizing the Cook and Crisp basket and the reversible rack.